Discover the top 5 best air fryer toaster oven combos designed to upgrade your kitchen with versatility, speed, and healthier cooking. These powerful multi-cookers combine air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, and toasting in one smart appliance, helping you create crispy, evenly cooked meals with ease. Whether you're saving counter space or replacing multiple gadgets, these top picks deliver convenience, performance, and delicious results for every home cook. Number 1. Emeril Lagasse. The Emeril Lagasse air fryer and multi-cooker combo transforms everyday cooking with unmatched versatility, making it easy to elevate any meal. From quick after-school snacks to hearty dinners for family gatherings, it delivers consistent, delicious results without the hassle. Its perfectly done toast feature takes the guesswork out of breakfast, shutting off automatically when the countdown ends, so burnt toast is never a problem. A simple red and blue indicator light keeps you informed, and the rack position guide ensures ideal crispness every time. Powered by a dual-speed fan, this appliance uses 360-degree superheated air circulation to give your dishes that golden fried finish without excess oil. With an impressive 26-quart capacity, it's built to handle meals for 4 to 6 people. Rotisserie a 6-pound chicken, bake a full 12-inch pizza, or prepare multiple sides at once with room to spare. The stainless steel exterior brings a sleek, timeless look to any kitchen, perfect for elevating your countertop setup. Elegant French doors open with a single pull, offering easy access, while the bright interior light lets you monitor your food as it cooks. Convenience, capacity, and style come together in one powerful appliance. Number 2. Cosori. The Cosori Turbo Blaze air fryer brings a new level of performance to everyday cooking, starting with its upgraded heating system. With 5 fan speeds and precise temperature control from 90 to 450 degrees, it delivers even heat and perfect texture in every bite. Turbo Blaze technology drives a powerful 3600 RPM fan to create rapid 360-degree airflow, giving you crispy, juicy, golden results while cutting down cooking time for busy days. The 6-quart square basket offers generous capacity for family meals while keeping a compact footprint on your counter. Its premium ceramic-coated basket and crisper plate are durable, non-stick, and completely dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 95% less oil, backed by independent testing, so you get all the crunch without the guilt. A customizable preheat function adapts time based on temperature, giving you flexibility to preheat when you want maximum crispiness or skip it for faster, hassle-free cooking. Every unit includes a 30-recipe cookbook with chef-crafted dishes and detailed cooking charts tucked neatly inside the box, so nothing gets overlooked. Designed for a smoother cooking experience, the Turbo Blaze operates at under 53 decibels, keeping your kitchen quieter, cleaner, and more efficient than ever. Number 3. Typhur. Typhur redefines modern cooking with a vision where every meal can be mastered through precision, and every home cook has the tools to achieve chef-level results. Leading this new era is the world's first oven with a built-in wireless probe, designed to track core temperature in real time and stop automatically at your perfect level of doneness. No wires, no pairing, and no second guessing, just reliable accuracy thanks to a NIST-verified probe and a built-in signal booster that stays stable even through light foil. The Typhur Sync Oven combines air frying and toasting with powerful 360-degree turbo convection, circulating heat through dual elements and a 2400 RPM fan for crisp, even cooking up to 30% faster than traditional ovens. With a wide 85 to 450 degree Fahrenheit range and 12 cooking functions, it adapts to everything from roasting and baking to proofing, dehydrating, and air frying with minimal oil. Control every detail through the Typhur app, where you can monitor temperatures, track time, manage multi-stage cooking, and access step-by-step recipes. Cleanup stays effortless with dishwasher-safe accessories, and the 27-quart capacity handles family-size meals with ease. A magnetic dock keeps the wireless probe charged and ready, delivering full power in just minutes for seamless, precision-driven cooking. Number 4. Ninja. The Ninja air fryer delivers fast, crisp, and delicious results with its air crisp technology, using 400-degree superheated air to surround your food for that perfect crunch with little to no oil. It's a simple way to enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat compared with traditional deep frying. With 4-in-1 functionality, you can air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, giving you a versatile tool that handles everything from weeknight dinners to quick snacks. Its 5-quart non-stick basket and crisper plate offer generous space, fitting up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings, making it ideal for families or gatherings. Designed as a space-saving upgrade, this model reduces countertop clutter without sacrificing capacity or performance. Frozen foods turn golden and crispy in minutes, eliminating long thaw times and making mealtime easier than ever. The non-stick basket and crisper plate make cleanup effortless, and every unit includes a chef-inspired recipe book with cooking charts to help you get started with confidence. Whether you're craving crispy wings, perfectly reheated leftovers, or homemade dehydrated snacks, the Ninja air fryer delivers speed, simplicity, and consistently satisfying results. Number 5. Nuwave. The Nuwave Bravo brings smarter, faster, and more precise cooking to your kitchen with a redesigned fan system capable of producing up to 100% faster speeds for crispier, golden brown results in less time. Its customizable heating system lets you adjust the ratio of top and bottom heaters from 0 to 100%, along with 3 fan speeds, giving you complete control over how your pizza, proteins, and baked goods cook. For thick pizzas, simply boost the bottom heat and lower the top for a perfectly crisp crust and beautifully melted toppings. With 112 easy cook presets, including 12 cooking functions and 100 one-touch recipe programs, it takes the guesswork out of every dish. Multi-layer cooking becomes effortless thanks to an upgraded convection system that keeps temperature differences between racks within just 1 degree, ensuring even results from top to bottom. The wide 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range, adjustable in precise 5-degree increments, adds even more flexibility. Its 30-quart capacity fits 2 13-inch pizzas, a 10-pound chicken, or family-sized portions, while still suiting compact spaces. A built-in, smart digital thermometer monitors internal temperature and ends cooking automatically at perfect doneness. With PFAS-free accessories, intuitive controls, and heavy-duty stainless steel construction, the Bravo delivers performance, durability, and healthier cooking in one powerful appliance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon